What's up and welcome back to my channel and my new otaku setup. Yay! I'm so happy. I love my new shelves and they're all set up now finally. It took a week and a little bit to finally have all the room and my room finally set up so that I could put these shelves up, but I'm finally able to stand in front of them and film all my fun nerdy videos. So, you know, we have our nerdy shirt on. Today is Fairy Tale because I have a lot of anime merch t-shirts, but it's fine, okay? That's what I'm using these shirts for. But today we are here for a manga haul video and it is the August manga haul and your girl was actually good this month. I got less than 100 volumes, still over 50, but less than 100, so I'm very proud of myself. But without further ado, let's roll the montage and then get into some recommendations. Alright, so now let's get into some recommendations. I'm only doing 3 this time because of things that happened and I didn't have a lot of time to read this month, so we're just doing 3. So number 1 is Prince Freya. Now I've seen this one a lot recently on my manga account. Ooh, if you want to peek that, I will leave it in the description, and it is kind of dark and depressing-ish. Yeah. So basically it is about this girl and she's like small and she cries a lot and she's like a delicate flower and her mom's sick and her mom apparently took in these 2 boys, not family related, but they were being sold as slaves. But anyway, so she takes them in and they become like knights and stuff and that's super cool. One's the prince's right-hand man. And anyways, so one day they find out that like the neighboring kingdom is like, well, we want to take your land. And so they're threatening to like come and raid their village and hang people and sorry, this is like triggering for some people, maybe skip along. And so they find out that the prince, their prince for their kingdom had been poisoned and he is like on his deathbed basically. He's been poisoned and he's gonna die. But she looks just like the prince. The prince is also kind of small and frail, except he's kind of like very sassy apparently. So what does that mean? Ooh, a little Freaky Friday swap, except not really because the prince is, you know, gonna die. So she cuts her hair and becomes the prince's face. She becomes the prince basically, and so she has to act his mannerisms and stuff. And it's so good. It's so dark, but it's so good. And they left me on a cliffhanger. I'm like, I need to know. I'm like, I love politics in books. I don't like politics in real life, dealing with the election. Ugh. But this was a really good read. If you don't mind darker kinds of books, I definitely would recommend this. The art style is really pretty. I really like it. Ooh, of course I happen to open on this page. Ooh, getting snuggly under a tree. Ooh, I'm a romance lover, so it's fine. Yes. Anyways, so yeah, I definitely recommend this one. Alright, second recommendation, Cutie and the Beast, which was recommended to me by my sweet friend Nadia, and I'd seen it a little bit on my manga account, but didn't decide to dive in, and now I'm like, how could I not? It's so cute. and so romantic. I love it. Trigger warning, it is an age gap series for those that do not like age gap series. Just a heads up. I did also mention this book in the last video, but I'm not sure if people watch that. So anyways, we're gonna talk about it again. So Cutie and the Beast is about a high school girl and she loves this wrestler guy. I think it's an 11-year age difference. Volume 1 left me on like such a cliffhanger and I'm like, Volume 2 is gonna take like 2 weeks to get here. So anyways, it's literally like there's not too much to explain. It's girl likes wrestling guy and wrestling guy is like, you're so cute too, and they've been like chatting a lot online and then they met and he's like, wait, you're really cute, and she's like crying every time she meets him. So it's just like your standard kind of love story, just with the age difference. It's so cute though. But like, do I say what happens at the end of volume 1? Okay, spoilers! So skip ahead if you don't want to hear. At the end of volume 1, because she's seeing this like older guy, right? And he's a wrestler, her parents find out and I'm like, ah, what's the dad gonna say? I need volume 2. Ah! Anyways, so I like this one, and again, the art style is really, really cute. I mean, like, look at his face. He's so happy. What a precious bean. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm all sweaty and blushy, so let's move on. Alright, and last but not least, this one will be brief because I legitimately only read it yesterday and only like the first 20 pages, is Springtime by the Window. Now, funny little... I guess it's not funny, it's exciting. I didn't realize that this was gonna get an English translation because that I was aware of. It only came in Japanese and in German. So when I saw that it was coming in English and that my local bookstore had it in stock, I was like, scoop. I'm very excited. It is super, super cute. So far, we are got all the ingredients for a classic shoujo school romance. We have cherry blossom season, we have childhood friends, and we have romance brewing in the air. It's everything that I need for like a cute shoujo romance, and I'm just like, also there's really cute bunnies near the front. Let me just, hold on. I need to find the cute buns. The cute buns, the cute buns! Look at the bunnies! They're so cute! I mean, like, the art style is also really, really cute, but I'm very excited to finish this one. It has got all the ingredients that I love in a shoujo story. Yes, it's a little predictable, but like, sometimes we love a little bit of predictability, okay? That's the tea. This is super cute though. Yes, I would definitely recommend this so far. Maybe my mood will change, but as far as the first 20 or so pages goes, we have another romance series that I will be collecting, so yeah. Alright, now before I go, I thought I would also mention that unfortunately all of these series are ongoing, so you will have to suffer like the rest of us. But first few series you can keep reading. So Prince Freya has 4 volumes out currently, and the 5th one actually comes out on September 7th, so you will be able to binge read those if you know, decide to splurge like me and get the rest of the volumes, because I have no patience at all getting them one by one. Cutie and the Beast has 3 volumes out currently, and I believe the 4th one comes out later this year or in January next year. And Springtime by the Window legitimately just came out in English. Actually, I don't even think it releases till September 7th, but my bookstore put it on the shelf early, so I was like, I'm gonna get that. And I think the 2nd one releases later in the year or early on next year, so you will have to wait for that one like the rest of us, unfortunately. Like all of us, we will have to wait. But that is all I have for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the recommendations, and as always, if you have anything that you've read this month or that you want to recommend to me, leave it in the comments below. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in the next one.